One thing I left out when I put the spindle together with the hub and the wheel bearing, I forgot the backing plate, so I can't put the backing plate on the way it is because I'm going to have to pull the hub out, and I can't pull the hub out without pulling the bearing race out with it, ruining the hub. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some slits in there, and hopefully it'll slide over the spindle and bolt into place. And so I just cut 2 slits here. My thought process is the caliper bolt holes there will help keep it sturdy like usual. So this way I don't weaken the structural integrity by cutting anywhere else. Because since this is one solid piece around here, it shouldn't flop around. So I'll shoot a video of it being installed. So we're going to see if this backing plate will slip over. And I took the ABS sensor out just to clean it up. When I put the hubs in, I did put them in with anti-seize, the bearings and the hub. So there was some that forced out while driving and it got stuck on the sensor. So I took it out to clean it. Hopefully there's no more anti-seize in there. We'll figure it out. I have an ABS issue, but it may be the rear. So let's see if this thing goes on. And just like that. So she's on. I don't even know why Mitsubishi couldn't just made it with a slit like that. But it's on, and so that's one side down that I did everything on. I might not even touch the passenger side just because it's cold and the bearing seems fine on the other side. Maybe I'll do it in the spring when it warms up a little bit. But catch you guys later. Peace out.